I think for effective result for the archaeological study or to cultural management in near future, we should to have a networking, right, a forum to sharing experience and give a chance for funding or training. I think is very useful for our network.
First of all, we could exchange case studies and knowledge from one country to another. I have learned so much about Bhutan as well, and one of my good brothers from Bhutan, he's sharing with me experiences about we have similar problems about safeguarding a festival, how to raise the awareness and stuff. So I could exchange with him what I have found through my research as well. So this field school is a really good foundation for people to, at international foundation as well, to come and exchange their knowledge together. So this networking kind of enlarge our knowledge as well as to improve the methods of safeguarding our own culture by learning through other cultures as well.
I think the field school organized in Thailand is a very interesting and useful model for many other countries in the region in working in the intangible cultural heritage safeguarding field. And I hope that this model can be expanded in many other countries in region, especially in Vietnam, in my country, because I think that if we apply this model in Vietnam, it will have to enhance the knowledge of the communities as well as the public about conservation of intangible cultural heritage. And also museums in this field can cooperate to organize exhibition and to together do the research about intangible cultural heritage. Also could help to bring the issue to a wider public, and it will help to I don't know, it will have to make the issue become realistic and important to many kinds of people.
Actually, this is a good, interesting question. Since I don't work in the museum, so I come from the academic institutions. So, in terms of my personal perspective point, I can think of that. Since being academic, we can research and we can disseminate our research findings throughout the publications and one in the internet sources, and also we can just distribute and share our findings through DVDs and other means of the publications. So I think there are some possibilities. Even we are thinking to make some the relationship with the participants who are here. So we want to just work close, and even in the future we want to just keep touch and share our informations through the publications, through the DVD, through the CDs and others in the sources, even uploading in the internet.
I think in Asians we have to be network and co-create and share an idea, because in Southeast Asia, in Asia, we have very diversity in culture. We have many ethnic groups, many religions, and people from different backgrounds. So I think to co-create and get an idea what we have together and what we in common, or what is the difference between each other, and understand how can we work together.